In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve. If you have audio in your video that includes unwanted hiss, room tone, fan noise, or other distracting background sounds, DaVinci Resolve has a quick built-in tool that can help clean it up. This is especially useful if you want your voice to sound clearer without spending a lot of time manually adjusting advanced settings. To begin, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Fairlight page. This is the audio editing section of the software, and it's where you'll find tools specifically designed for improving sound. If you've mostly been working in the Edit page, don't worry. The Fairlight page is still very easy to use for simple audio cleanup like this. Once you're in the Fairlight page, look for the Effects section and click the plus sign underneath it. This will open the available audio effects you can apply to your clip or track. From there, go to Restoration. Inside the Restoration category, select Noise Reduction. This is the effect that helps reduce constant background noise and make spoken audio easier to understand. After adding noise reduction, you'll see its controls. At this point, all you need to do is click Auto Speech Mode. This option is designed to automatically optimize the noise reduction effect for spoken voice, which makes it a great choice if you want a fast and effective result without needing to fine-tune a lot of settings yourself. And that's it. With Auto Speech Mode enabled, DaVinci Resolve will do the work of reducing background noise while keeping the voice as natural as possible. This can be a huge improvement for tutorials, interviews, voiceovers, and any video where clear speech matters. As a quick tip, after turning it on, play your audio back and listen carefully to the result. You want the voice to sound cleaner, but still natural. If the original recording had a lot of noise, this tool can help significantly, but it's always a good idea to preview the audio so you can make sure the effect sounds right in your specific clip. So again, the process is simple. Go to the Fairlight page, click the plus sign under Effects, open Restoration, choose Noise Reduction, and then enable Auto Speech Mode. That's the fastest way to remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve and get cleaner sounding audio in just a few clicks.